My good fortune has dawned today, for you have come to this Surdas' door.
Surdas, the desire to hear your bhajans has dragged me here. Your bhajans are very popular in Braj. So I thought, before reaching Vrindavan, why don't I drink the nectar of your music?
My years of penance has borne fruit today, that I found a listener like you.
Get up, Surdas.
प्रभु हो सब पतितन कोटि को, प्रभु हो सब पतितन कोटि को, और पतित सब दिवस चारिके हों तो जन्मत ही को, और पतित सब दिवस चारिके हों तो जन्मत ही को। प्रभु हो सब पतितन कोटि को।
I was singing with all my heart, Kanhai, but Mahaprabhu Vallabhacharya was not pleased. So I sang another hymn.
हरि हो सब पतितनि को नायक, हरि हो सब पतितनि को नायक, को करि सकै बराबरी मेरी, को करि सकै बराबरी मेरी, और नहीं को लायक, हरि हो सब पतितनि को ना।
Enough! Stop begging, Surdas. Singing songs of penury and helplessness will not do you any good, nor to your listeners. Surdas may be blind but not helpless. In fact, in whose heart Krishna dwells himself. How can he sing songs belittling himself?
Then what should I do, Lord?
Sing Krishna's divine stories.
I do not know Krishna's divine stories, Lord.
I shall narrate Krishna's story to you.
Thus my Guru Vallabhacharya stayed at Gau Ghat for 3 days and narrated Krishna's story to me, and initiated me into the sect with formal ceremony. That was my Upnayan Sanskar, Kanhai. After that, my Guru Vallabhacharya took me to Gokul, and from there to Mount Govardhan for the vision of Lord Srinath Ji. From there onwards began my process of learning, which is the 11th Sanskar. The Acharya teaching the alphabet itself is called Vidyarambh Sanskar. Beginning to learn means Vidyarambh. I have not studied the Vedas, but I commenced my learning with singing the glory of Bhagavatam. When one completes one's education with the Acharya, then the 12th Sanskar begins, which means Samavartan Sanskar.
With Samavartan Sanskar, the stage of studenthood ends, and the Brahmachari enters the second stage, which is called Grihasthashram. Samavartan Sanskar, it doesn't mean the end of education, because education is a never-ending process. But after Samavartan, the Brahmachari enters Grihasthashram for the pursuits of Dharma, Arth and Kam.
Kanhai, when the little Gopal or Radharani enter their married life, their 13th Sanskar takes place, which means Vivaha Sanskar.
What is this Vivaha, Grandpa?
Vivaha is the holy wedlock between a woman and a man who become a husband and a wife.
Why does a man and a woman enter into a wedlock, Grandpa?
Kanhai, when you grow up, your wedding too will be performed with Rukmini. You must have surely seen a wedding procession in which the groom rides a decorated horse. The elders and seniors of the family, friends and companions, and even the family deities go to the bride's house to bring her. there are great celebrations at the Viva Sanskar. Kanhai, with the sacred fire and deities as witnesses, the groom and bride going around the sacred fire 7 times is known as Saptapadi.
Saptapadi means 7 steps. Yes, 7 steps. And at every step, the groom and the bride make promises to each other. First promise.
In troubled times, I shall give you courage and strength. I shall find happiness in your happiness. I promise that I shall always talk sweetly to you and take the responsibility of our family and children.
Second promise.
I promise that I shall fulfill all the responsibilities of married life.
Third promise.
I shall love you and you alone as my wife for the rest of my life. I shall remain committed to you.
Fourth promise.
I shall be your companion throughout life and make it beautiful.
Fifth promise.
I shall be your companion in joy and sorrow. I shall respect you and trust you as well. I shall act according to your wishes.
Sixth promise.
I promise that in all religious, spiritual and joyous festivals, I shall participate with you.
Seventh promise.
In the presence of sacred fire and all the deities, I say that I have made all these promises with sincerity. I am forever committed towards love, honor and respect for each other.
Similarly, the bride makes promises to the groom too. And then both of them enter married life.
You did not get married, Grandpa.
Yes, Kanhai. I did not get married. How could I? Kanhai, I have not experienced the joys of the world. But I have gained that joy which is rarely attainable by the world.
Grandpa, would you like to see the world if your Kanhai grants you your eyes?
No, Kanhai. I do not want eyes. Those with such eyes are blind, in whose eyes Kanhai does not dwell. The ones with such ears are deaf indeed, who do not hear songs about him. Those capable of crossing the ocean of transmigration are submerged in the world. My Kanhai is enthroned right in their hearts, but they are running after momentary pleasures of the world. Therefore, I do not need such eyes, such ears and such heart, in which my Kanhai does not dwell. He alone dwells in my eyes. And I see only with his eyes, Kanhai. After Viva Sanskar, there comes Sarva Sanskar. After enjoying the pleasures of household life for 25 years, everyone must finally retire. Entering Vanaprasthashram from Grihasthashram is known as the 14th Sanskar. That is called as Sarva Sanskar.
सबे दिन एक ऐसे नहीं जात, सबे दिन एक ऐसे नहीं जात। सुमिरन भजन कियो करि हरि को, जब लो तन कुशलात। सुमिरन भजन कियो करि हरि को, जब लो तन कुशलात। सबई दिन एक ऐसे नहीं जात। ओ
You have entered Vanaprastha ashram from today. Now, no more attachment to your wife and sons. Be satisfied with whatever food that you get. Keep your body and mind pure. No adornment by way of attire or hairstyle. Sleep on the floor. Avoid any kind of violence. Perform Agnihotra regularly. Meditate. Remember the Supreme Lord. Insist upon simple living and high thinking. That is the duty of a Vanaprastha.
Following Vanaprastha comes the 15th sanskar, that is sannyas sanskar. As soon as sannyas takes place, one cuts all the ties of attachments and becomes absorbed in self.
Grandpa, has your Vanaprastha sanskar taken place or not?
Oh, Kanai, I'm in Vanaprastha from my childhood itself.
Kanhai? Oh, Kanhai!
Grandpa, mother is calling me. I'm going.
नैननी निरखी श्याम स्वरूप, नैननी निरखी श्याम स्वरूप। रहयो घट घट त्यापि सोई, ज्योति रूप अनूप। रहयो घट घट त्यापि सोई, ज्योति रूप अनूप। नैननी निरखी श्याम स्वरूप।
Surdas is truly an ocean, Tansen. I wish to get translated devotee Surdas's poems into Persian. Whatever it takes. His each and every poem must be collected and written down.
Your command shall be obeyed.
The ship of the Pushti sect is about to sail away. Whoever wants to take anything may do so. Surdas ji, I'm Vithalnath. Please open your mouth. Drink this Ganga Jal.
Grandpa! Grandpa! Grandpa, where are you going, Grandpa? Grandpa, Mother said that you are going to Golok.
My final sanskar is being performed, Kanai. You perform my final rites with your own hands.
Grandpa, now I have found out what the final sanskar is about.
16 sanskar, 16 celebrations, right from conception to death. It is only due to maintaining the traditions of such sanskar that Indian culture stands firm in the stormy winds of change, protecting all that represents truth, beauty, and goodness.
चरण कमल बंदो हरि राई, चरण कमल बंदो हरि राई, जाकी कृपा पंगु गिरि लंघे, जाकी कृपा पंगु गिरि लंघे, अंधे को सब कुछ दर्शाई, अंधे को सब कुछ दर्शाई, बहिरो सुने गूंग पुनि बोले, रंक चले सिर छत्र धराई, बहिरो सुने गूंग पुनि बोले, रंक चले सिर छत्र धराई, सूरदास स्वामी करुणा में, सूरदास स्वामी करुणा में, बार बार बंदाती पाई, बार बार बंदाती पाई, चरण कमल बंदो हरि राई, चरण कमल बंदो हरि राई, चरण कमल बंदो हरि राई।
Birbal, now you will have to do something. Ever since I have started collecting poems from Sur Sagar, a lot of people keep on bringing his poems to me out of greed for reward. Now how do I find out which is the original poem written by him and which poem is the fake one written using Surdas's name?
What is so difficult about that, Emperor? Reward the real and punish the fake?
But how will I know the difference between real and fake?
Emperor, just spread this word around that the ink of Surdas's real poems won't spread if they are put in water. But the ink of fake poems will spread as soon as they are in water. Then you just see who will risk punishment by bringing a fake one.
Birbal was Birbal after all. Whatever the truth might be, Surdas had become a legend in his lifetime itself. Wonder how many people wrote poems similar to Surdas's name and style. Surdas is no more, but Sursagar shall continue to give sanskars to little Kanhais for thousands of generations to come.
आचारः परमो धर्मः, धर्मस्य प्रभुरच्युतः, जङ्गमाजङ्गमं चैव जगन्नारायणोद्भवम्। आचारः परमो
Good conduct itself is the supreme duty. Lord Achyut is the Lord of conduct. This moving and not moving world has emerged from Lord Narayan.
नारायणोद्भवम्। यस्य प्रसादेन देव सर्व